I'm feeling like we've done so much work over the last literally 5 days with so many women, and the process that we've gone through has been so much transformation. These women have arrived knowing their deep pain, their deep agony, and what we've done is created an environment, a container of true transformation, and they've learnt what their shadow behavior does. So for example, when we grow up as little people, and I'm talking like 5, 6, 7 years old, you take on certain behaviors that are generally not you. You know, you'll take on behaviors in survival, and what happens is you can accumulate deep traumas that actually turns into a belief system, and it impacts the totality of a woman. And we've come from a lineage where there's been such strong misogyny and this patriarchal world, and it's been quite chauvinistic to the beauty of women. That includes my mother and my grandmother and my sister. And I have a lot of sisters out there that have done the work, and I call them sisters. And you know, from what I call the dark side of the masculine that's played out in certain archetypes, you know, from being a tyrant, a bully, the manipulator, and a variety of things. And what's happened is these women have so unbecome so much of their survival strategies, and they've returned to their original self.